Hi, I'm Kathy O'Shea with New Age Industrial. I'd like to tell you about our mat carts. Mat washing is a huge problem for any facility, but especially for K through 12 schools. There's always a problem, always trying to find some way to wash the mat. So we've come up with a couple of solutions. The first one is our mat cart. We have a fully welded version, then we also have this knockdown version. This ships in a UPS box, which makes it much less expensive to ship, and then you just assemble in the field. It's really easy to use. You just mount your mat on the pegs, pull them on and off. We also have a platform if you wanted to add a trash can for miscellaneous. Then you put the mat on, you roll it to your cart wash station or out to your back dock and hose it off and leave it to dry. This unit is made with primary grade aluminum, so it will never rust or corrode, so it's easy to use to wash mats and leave them out to dry. Very simple, very easy to use. Then we also have our wall mount version, which is fully welded and heavy duty, as you can see from the back. This is a continuous piece, so you would drill and place your holes wherever you plan to mount it, and you would attach the mat the same way you do on the cart. It's easy, hose it down, wash it, leave it there to dry. If you'd like more information about these mat racks or you'd like to customize a mat rack for your facility, please email us at sales@newageindustrial.com or check out our website at newageindustrial.com.